This is the train I have boarded from Shin Amori to, and I came Shin Amori and came to Tokyo. So this is also again 10-15 minutes late. So now in 10 minutes again it will go to Amori or Moriako, or Amori or Moriako. So this is Hayabusa. So 711 kilometers it covered in just 3 hours. So 3 hours 10 minutes. So excellent, awesome. So I went in the morning like 9:36. I have started, reached there at 12:36. So I have spent there 2 hours. I had lunch in my Indian restaurant. So spent there for 2 hours. So and then took a train at 3:17 p.m. So now it is 6:30 p.m. So I have reached Tokyo station. So from here I have to take Yamanote line and go to Shibuya. From Shibuya I can just walk to my hostel, or I can take a bus or a taxi. So whatever. Or first I will go to Indian restaurant. I will have dinner, and then I will go to my hostel. So no need to come back again. So now cleaning is progress. This is the first class, grand class. So the first class also we can take ticket, but it is very expensive. JR pass first class for 1 week. So you can see now. So next train is at 6:44. The same train. I think it will go to Shin Amori. If I'm not wrong, it is in Japanese. So it will change now. So this is train number. Now it is going as train number 67. So it came as train number 60. So it is Morioka. Yeah, Morioka is in the middle, maybe like 2 hours from here. So there is another train there, standing there. So I don't know, it is a different train. So yeah. So this bullet train is going to Nagano. So I don't know name of the route. So you can see it is a different color. Seats are inside, they are dark purple, dark red in color. So this is a different train in 625 number. So it is going to, we can see in board there is a platform. This is platform 22. So I can just, it is in Japanese, written in Japanese. So I have to wait till it turns into English. So it is still in Japanese. So yeah, it is going to Asama. See, it is very clear now. So you can see platform 1 and 2 is Chuo line, 3 and 6 are Kehin Tohoku line, 4 and 5 are Yamanote line, because one goes to clockwise and one goes to anti-clockwise. It is a loop line. So subway Marunouchi line is M, subway Tozai line is T, Marunouchi central exit, Yasu central exit. So you can see B1 Tokaido Sanya Shinkansen goes to Osaka, Hiroshima, and toilets. So Narita Airport Express in B1. So I can also take that and go to, it is 30th of June, Sunday night around, it is 6:45. See the rush. I think people are going to their workplaces, because tomorrow from Monday again they have to work. So I hope they are going to respective workplaces. So that is the rush. That is the reason there is a heavy rush in Tokyo station. So Tokyo station is always busy because it connects to several Shinkansen lines, so which goes throughout the country. So to north, to south, to east, to west. So that is the reason it is always busy. So I can see Narita line. So I am going to Narita, towards Narita line. So I was just walking for more than 2-3 minutes in Tokyo Central Station. So still it may take another maybe 4-5 minutes to reach to Narita Express line platform. So which I can see from here, it towards left side. Yeah, I have to go at the far end of this area, and I have to take left. So I will just carry on this. So Beck's coffee is available in every station. So they sell non-veg sandwiches, donuts, coffee. It is very congested. It is very small shop, but it is always busy. So these are the vending machines. So these are the lockers. So you can see left side. I have to go to Narita. So coin lockers are there. So still I have to walk. I have to take left. So there are so many people. I can't find any McDonald's, Burger King, KFC, or any other American fast giant in stations in Japan, Tokyo or Japan stations. So I found them outside, but not in the stations. So you can see I have to go left. So I am taking left to go to Narita Express train platform. So there is a lift and there is escalator and there is steps. So I will take escalator. So there is a queue for escalator. So people queue up everywhere. So that is in their blood actually. So discipline, queuing up, Still I'm walking. So now I can see I almost reached. So Narita Airport, Narita Express line and Yokosuka Sobu line, rapid. So I have to take only this Narita. So there is escalator for passenger people because they go to airport, either they come to airport or go to airport or coming from airport. So it will be very convenient for them if there is an escalator. So now I am going to catch Narita Express train from downstairs. B1. B1 is a platform where it will come. Finally, I reached this platform. So platform 4, 3 and 4 are for Narita Express. So I am going now. But I have to go towards Shibuya. So if I go towards airport, so that will be on my opposite side. So I have to catch the train which is coming from the airport and which goes to Shibuya. So Shibuya is the next stop after Tokyo. I wanted to take Narita Express to go to Shibuya, but there were no trains going to Shibuya. 2 trains were there and they were going to airport. So it is opposite line. So I have decided to take Yamanote line. That is best because in every 2-3 minutes the train will come. So it will reach my destination in 30 minutes, like Shibuya. So this is opposite route. So I have to take opposite. So platform 3. So platform 4 is opposite. It is going to Shinjuku. So I have to go take 3. So it will go to Shibuya. So I was going in different direction. So I have to take this platform 5 train. So if you can see, Shinjuku is the first one, and then from Tokyo. So I have to go to Shibuya. Shibuya is, you can see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 stop. So 11 minutes, 11 into 2, 22 minutes. So it will take 22 minutes to reach Shibuya. So I was going opposite direction. So I just went to the platform and I realized that it was a wrong platform. So then I came to this platform.